2, set to start at $25,000, around $20,000, $25,000. But Reuters reports that Tesla has internally canceled this all-new low-cost model, although Elon Musk has publicly denied confirming it. 2. Current focus. The company is now focusing on launching stripped-down versions of the existing Model 3 and Model Y, rather than an all-new model, a more practical way to achieve greater affordability. 3. Potential projects. Project Redwood and a new platform. If a Model 2 or similar model does arrive, they could be built on Tesla's Project Redwood next-gen platform. This platform will use large single-body castings using gigapress, unboxed process, streamlined production that reduces factory cost and production time, structural battery pack, low-cost electric motor, rare earth-free. Vehicles based on this platform will be built in Texas, Berlin, Brandenburg, and Mexico. 4. Expected price, range, battery. If Model 2 or something similar comes along, potential price around $22,000, $25,000, or $25,000. Range around 250 miles, 400 kilometers with LFP, or 4680 battery cells. Platform new Project Redwood, unboxed. Lightweight, cost-cutting manufacturing innovations. 5. Charging, software, and technical specifications. Access to Tesla supercharger network. 1,000 plus. Ultra-rapid chargers in the UK. Average Model 2 fast charging. Possible. 10-80%. Likely in about 15 minutes. Potential for autopilot in FSD features with OTA. Updates and higher autonomy. Level 4-5 in the future. Summary and a professional presentation. Tesla Model 2, entry-level EV. Status, final model or name not yet confirmed. Efforts underway to develop low-cost platform for electronics. Potential price, $22,000, $25,000, or $25,000. Battery or range, LFP or 4680 cells, approximately 250 miles, 400 kil. Platform, Project Redwood. Unboxed structure, structural battery, rare earth-free motor. Manufacturing streamlined process, go to 40% cost time reduction. Charging 10-80% in approximately 15 minutes with superchargers expected.